All right, for this example, if we are trying to find the area of the regular hexagon, it's important to remember that regular means that all of the angles in the hexagon and all of the sides are congruent. If we are trying to figure out the measure of the central angle, which in turn will help us figure out the length of the altitude of this triangle, or in this case, the apothem, we take 360 degrees from a circle and divide it by the number of sides. So 360 degrees divided by 6 sides means that the central angle measure is 60 degrees. If this angle is 60 degrees, and the altitude is bisecting it, we've got a 30-degree angle on one side of the altitude and a 30-degree angle on the other side. We've now got a 30, 60, 90-degree triangle. The formula says that we need to know the length of the apothem and we need to know the perimeter. So if we were pulling out just one of these triangles, and I tried to enlarge it over here, we know that this whole side is 20. The altitude, or the apothem, is going to cut this side length in half. So from this point right here to the altitude is 10 units. Sorry about the phone. And then in order to figure out the length of the apothem, we know that it is the side length A times the square root of 3. So this would be 10 times the square root of 3. In order to figure out the perimeter, we would take the length 20 times 6, and that would be 120. And then we would substitute those lengths into the formula, where if we're finding the area of a regular polygon, we're going to take half the length of the apothem times the perimeter. If you did 10 times 120, you would get 1,200, and half of that is 600. You can leave it as 600 times the square root of 3, or you could go ahead and multiply that out if you have a calculator.